assembling and installation of this washing machine trolley. It is named as multifunctional base as it is used for refrigerator or your air cooler or any type of home appliances like dishwasher or water cooler and any sort of things. So, I will just show you how it to unbox and install this trolley. So, these are 4 corner bases. So, this is a cushion used to paste on these corners. This is a measuring tape. These are 4 stainless steel pipes used to connect the trolley. So, I will just paste these cushions. So, these are locks for adjusting length. Just open all these locks. Just insert this SS pipe. You can lock after inserting. Now, I am doing on the other side. So, that is all. Our trolley is installed. Now, it can be used to keep any of your home appliances like washing machine, refrigerator or air cooler or dishwasher or any type of large appliances can be kept in it. So, I will just show you. Just by opening this lock, you can increase the breadth. Again, by opening lock in this side, you can increase the length. So, it is adjustable to any size. And you can adjust your height with the help of this leg. You can just rotate this leg and you can lock with the help of this. Now, it is adjusted. Now, the length of the leg is increased. So, when you do this for all size and mount it, the height of the trolley will also get increased, and these wheels can be rotated in all sides, and it can be locked at any position just by pushing this. Now, the wheel is locked at this position. Now, it is locked in this position. So, you can keep and lock the wheels, or you can increase the height of the leg, anything can be done. And there is a level indicator in this side. In all 8 corners of the front side there will be level indicators. So, with which you can just see whether the trolley is in the same position from the floor. So, that is all is the installation of this washing machine trolley. Now, it can be used. So, there are different types in it where you will get 2 legs on each corner, totally you will get 8 legs, and there is another model where you will not get legs, you will have only wheels on the 4 sides. and there is another model where you have only single wheel for rotating, and similar type with double leg and single leg in the single wheel will also come. So, based on this your total load capacity will vary. The maximum capability of the weight carrying in this trolley will vary based on the type of wheel and number of legs you have.